Somewhere in the snowy landscapes of Hokkaido, Japan, there stood a tiny train station, almost forgotten by time. Kami Shirataki Train Station. No busy crowds, no morning rush. Quiet, snowy town in Hokkaido. Snowflakes dance in the air. Lonely town station covered in snow. Just one passenger, a high school girl. She relied on the train every day to reach her school miles away. With so few riders, the station was supposed to close. But Japan Railways made a surprising decision. They kept the train running just for her. The train stopped only twice a day, once in the morning to take her to class, and once in the evening to bring her safely home. The station became her lifeline, her routine, her path to the future. And when she graduated, train made its final stop. The station quietly closed, having served one final purpose. Because in Japan, even one person matters.